Hey, how's it going, guys? This is SD60M9250 coming to you with a rant video. Okay, we see what this box is, right? Lifelike Proto 2000, GP30, whatever. This I got from Spring Creek Model Trains. It was supposed to be a custom paint job into a Burlington Northern GP39M. This is what I got. I mean, it's got the looks, right? Aside from, that, there's no dynamic brake hatch. Look at the lettering. Isn't that beautifully horrible? I know not many people might be Burlington Northern fans or modelers, but that is horrible. And as for the stripe, it doesn't even cover like it's supposed to. It's just god awful. That is not what I was expecting at all. And the funny part is, this was an undecorated model, and whoever did it, what the box say? Railroad Custom Paints did that. I don't know if Spring Creek, got this in a lot, because they had like 5 road numbers listed, and I got this one, just to do it. And aside from that, okay, we see this side, right? You see how the logo's way too low. Look at the lettering difference on the other side. The lettering's not even the same size on both sides. And then you might be looking, what about the handrails and all that other good stuff? Nothing is on this model. I mean, the classification light lens isn't even on there. Nothing is on here. They're in the bags from when they were brand new. Not painted at all. Nothing. And I mean, aside from, the garbage ass way it looks, that is not 2817. I don't know how good this will show up, because I'm about to show you a picture of it. An actual picture of it on my tablet. That is 2817. That is a monstrosity. What in the hell? I wouldn't be this mad about it if it didn't cost me basically $140. One, we all know the Proto 2000 lifelikes. 10 times out of 10, what's going to be wrong? The axles are going to be cracked. So that's more money that you have to spend to fix it. But the reason that I bought this, there was no picture displayed, so that was kind of bad on my part, but that's bad on Spring Creek too. You should show what the hell people are getting. Because I guarantee you, if they saw this, they wouldn't touch it at all. I mean, just look at the box. The box has been obliterated. But here's... Okay, let's see if I can get these prices on here. Look what it used to be. $165 for a damn Proto 2000? And this is what you're getting? Nothing's complete? It's not even right. It's not even correct at all in the slightest sense. No details put on. The handrails aren't painted. Nothing. I mean, the horn came off too. It's right there. Let me see if I can get this shut. You can kind of see it right here. It's like he almost sprayed the paint over the horn. Dull coat, whatever that might be. But the fact still remains. $140. I'm saying $140 because it's basically $10 for shipping. $130, whatever. That is way too much to be paying for a hunk of junk like that. And the way my hands shake, I'm sure y'all can see it while I hold my phone trying to do this video. Do I look like somebody that could be painting and decaling? No. I'd love to if I could, but my hands aren't steady enough. So when I saw them advertising this, for sale on their site, it's like, great, I can have a, GP39M that nobody has come out with ever. And it'll be awesome. Well, needless to say, this ruined my day. I don't even know what to say. I'm disgusted. It's like, how could you even attempt, why would you even sell this, I'm going to say it, shit, for $130? Any other company that I've dealt with, they're right on point every time. Even with, different stuff that nobody does, they're on point. This is a train wreck. This was my first time shopping with a Spring Creek model trains, and it's gonna be my last, because if you don't have the balls to show what the hell you're selling, and then you sell somebody something like this, I mean, no description, no nothing. If they would have told me that the handrails and everything else wasn't painted, I wouldn't have touched it. If I would have seen the way it looked, like that, with the logo being stripped by, the cab, which is not supposed to be like that, I wouldn't have touched it. So, I don't know. I don't even know what to do with this freaking thing. But, yeah. Yay for me. But, yeah, that's my take on this monstrosity of a GP39M. Y'all have a good one, folks.